Hello and welcome to the course. So before we start coding, let's take a look at the project that we are going to make. So once the user is in the home page, so he can view products. He can also sort products by name, price, or date, sending or descending. He can change the pagination options. You can also filter products by subcategories, child categories, brands, sizes, and also colors. You can also search for a product. Can also view the product's details. So here we have all the details of the product with the reviews, and also we can see here the ratings and the reviews. Also we can view images. We can choose size, color, quantity, and add product to cart. Can also choose different sizes with different colors for the same product. So let's move to our cart. So here we have the products with total, and also here we have the total and how many products we have inside our carts. So you can update the quantity or remove products from our cart. And also we can proceed to checkout, and to move to the checkout, so the user needs to be registered. So let's create a new user, and once created, so let's log in. So once logged in, we are redirected to the checkout page. So here we can see our orders. Also, to proceed to the payment, so we need to complete our profile. So let's complete the profile, submit, and once done, so now we can pay our orders. Also here we can apply a coupon. So let's move to the backend. So here we have the coupons. So let's copy this coupon from here and use it here and apply the coupon. And once applied, so you have the discount and we have the total, and also it's calculated here. So now we can pay our orders, and we are redirected to the Stripe checkout form. So here we need to provide email, the test card number, and also let's add the month, the security, and the name. So let's pay. And once the payment is done successfully, so we are redirected to the success page. So here we can view our orders. Here are our orders, and delivery date is pending. Also, the user can change here his profile image, and here we have name and email. So now that we have bought this product, so we can add a review. So let's move to the product. So here is our product. So now I can add my review. So let's add a review, choose a rating, and write the review. So once the review is added, so it needs to be approved by the admin. So let's move to the admin. So here we have our dashboard. So here we have our customers, orders, reviews, and we have how many orders for this month. So we will use a chart to display the orders for each month. Also here we have the categories, and admin can add, edit, and delete categories. Same thing for subcategories, child categories, and also the brands and colors and sizes and also the products and coupons and also we can view orders, set the product as delivered, so we can change the delivery date from here. So now it's delivered, and also we can delete orders. So here we have reviews, so the admin can approve a review or disapprove it. So now the review is approved. So let's refresh the page. So here we have 2 reviews, and here we have the average rating of the product. So here we have 2 reviews and we have 3 stars. So let's go back again to the backend. So here we have the users, so we can view the users and also delete user. So this is the project that we are going to create. So before you enroll, so please read the requirements carefully, because this project requires good knowledge of Laravel 12. So if you feel that you meet the requirements, so see you in the next lecture.